What's up everyone? Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about a question that we often get asked, and that is, how much is our initial deposit and why do we charge this amount? The answer to the first and the easiest part of this question is simple. It's 50%. We charge 50% of the total cost of the project. The second part is, why do we charge this much? Is it because we have cash flow issues? Because we need your money to finish other projects? Although this is common amongst fly-by-night contractors, this is simply not the case. And yes, we have heard people accuse us of both of those, as well as many other reasons of why we need that 50%. Simply put, this is not the case for our company, nor how we operate. So let's get to it. Why do we charge this 50%? It's actually pretty simple. When a customer chooses to move forward with a project on their crawl space, basement, or foundation, this starts a domino effect within our company. We immediately get to work. This work is what we refer to as indirect cost. We have project managers and office staff that get to work ensuring that we have the needed materials to perform the agreed upon work for you on the date that we gave you. This means we have to pay staff ahead of time before we even get started on your project. We are paying them to order your materials, schedule your jobs, get your job file together for the crew, and many more tasks to ensure that we can provide an elite level of customer service that you deserve. We also have direct costs to the job before the job even starts. These direct costs would be your material for your job. Some of this material is specialized material that is specific to your job. The last thing we want to do is call you the day before your job and tell you that we don't have your material. Hopefully this helps you understand why we must charge 50% before the job starts. But wait. We definitely understand why you're hesitant to give us thousands of your hard-earned dollars before we start. After all, everything you read on the World Wide Web and social media tells you, don't do it. Here are the reasons you can trust us. Number one, we have a written contract that is signed by both you and us. Number two, we have a fleet of 10 trucks, as of this video, that have a full 100% wrap put on them. This is not something that we can just take off quickly and run away with someone's money. A company with just door magnets on the doors of their vehicle would be one to look out for. Number three, we have a physical location, a warehouse. Number four, we are licensed and assured. We have taken the time to get the proper licensing, which requires money and time. Number five, as of this video, we have over 300 videos on YouTube. Many of these videos educate our consumers about who we are, what we do, how we do it, who our competition is, and so on. With this many videos, do we sound like a company that is going to take your money and run? We could keep going on, but we hope you have the point by now. We're here for the long haul. We hope this video answers your questions about our initial deposit and why we charge this. If you have any other questions or want us to shoot any other videos like this, let us know. As always, we're here to help. Thanks.